Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Matic Polygon Matic video update for Thursday 14th of July. Alright, beautiful setup. Yesterday I talked about cup and handle. We've done pretty much 50% of the work. Today is important. Today is bloody damn important, okay? Because I want to talk about two things only. And number one is gonna be the retest. Okay, the first topic is the retest and today's candle, pretty much like this one. Okay, so today candle really matters. You have a potential 35% pump coming from Matic, from there to there, 36%, 35%. Okay, it's pretty much an entry, like a given entry. If you do come down to the 0.6, and yesterday I told you, break it out, go to 0.6, you move higher. Okay, and it's almost like you do even have a bull flag right there, right? And this bull flag can actually even take you from there to there, and you're looking for Matic technical target to nearly just come up here to that technical target of the cup and handle, right? That's the first thing. And if I dive into the 4-hour time frame, the best thing about taking an entry is that, you know, if Matic somehow, you know, just comes down here and makes a bullish pattern a little bit, or a bullish reversal candlestick, and you take an entry and just ride it all the way up here, that would be an amazing trade. I want to trade it, but I'm afraid to trade it. That's the problem. I'm really afraid to trade Matic at the moment. Even though it's so beautiful, it's so convincing, I'm still afraid to trade it. It's because of what Bitcoin is doing. And if you want to watch Bitcoin in a detailed analysis, do watch the channel and the update of Bitcoin. Bitcoin still is in trouble, and it has a bearish pattern, which is a 3-line strike pattern, okay? And you do have a threat of Bitcoin to go all the way down to $11,000. And the reason why is because you do have the same pattern where you came down like this, you made a bearish rectangle pattern, you went down like this, you're making another bearish rectangle continuation pattern, and then you pop out of it and you continue down. The stop loss, of course, should be placed near $18,891. And the other problem is you know, the weekends being there as well, the weekend being right at your face. So it actually makes it harder for Matic to really have a successful retest. So what's the solution? Maybe come down here. By the end of the day, you can try to trade the pattern with a stop loss. Maybe do some management of how much you want to lose, right? And if your stop loss gets taken away, you just don't even trade it again. So maybe go a little bit, maybe buy a small chunk of Matic when it comes down for the retest. That could be the probable best safe scenario to do. Otherwise, it's gonna be a big problem. Okay, if Bitcoin wasn't in danger like this, damn, this is an amazing entry somehow, and you're looking for this to go back to the upside. You're not still guaranteed that Matic is gonna fall. The problem is Matic does follow Bitcoin footstep, and if Bitcoin makes that trouble to try to go to $11,000, Matic isn't gonna survive, guys, right? And today I think it's better to confirm the retest on a daily time frame. Who knows, this can actually be a fake out, okay? The retest is important. It could just go all the way down all of a sudden, smash down, and then boom, you know, never even have a successful retest. So let's see what happens, and that's it for this quick update on Matic. Do join our Discord. The link is in the description of the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.